Yo, it's good. Before I start the video, I want to show you proof that this Discord is legit. We actually have almost 100% win rate. I'm not even kidding. It's not only for 1 day, for 2 days, for the last 5 weeks, bro. I just opened this Discord 5 weeks ago. Look at this. Every single time, the same TP yesterday. Look at the date yesterday. Look, remember the setup. We hit a TP. Everybody hit the same TP. TP, TP, TP. Everyone hitting TP. Everyone hitting TP. Like, I'm not trying to dopamine talk or LARP or whatever. Like, everybody is actually hitting TP. Now, look at today, bro. Let me go back down. TP, TP. My one-on-one student struggled. He struggled for 2 years. He was trading for 2 years. He just got his first payout, bro. Look at this. His first payout yesterday, bro. And now he hit TP again, bro. Like, I'm not trying to even LARP. Like, you can see it by yourself. We are not LARPing. Everybody's sending his trade in. We analyze every single trade my students send in a lecture together every single day after New York session. We trade the same NASDAQ, the same 35 minutes, the same strategy, and we hit the same TP. Literally the easiest strategy ever. We don't have a model. We don't trade a model. You guys seeing out there a model or whatever. We are a real trading Discord where we develop our own strategy depending on how the algorithmic signature is. It doesn't work if you just trade one model. That doesn't work. People are lying to you out there. You need to find out how the market is, and you need to adapt and react to the market's signatures. If the market works with continuation models, we trade continuation models. Let me show you, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at this. It's actually so sauce. Look at my weekly tracker. We journal everything the week. Win, 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 win. Now look at the TPs. Same TP, same TP, same TP, almost same TP, but just a long. Everyone has a weekly tracker, taking the same wins, same losses. Like, it's, look at this, bro. We're reflecting together on what works. This worked, this worked, this worked, this worked so many times, bro. Everybody journaling. This is real work, bro. All of this for $40, bro. Real grinders, real sauce, no bullshit. Join up, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna talk about my Discord like this because it's real. Like, I'm not gonna talk bullshit. I don't need your guys' money. I put it for $40 only. I love this. This is my niche. I want to work. I don't need the money through a Discord. I need the money through my own trading. I make it through my own trading. I just want to help people out because I love this. It's my passion. I want to do the whole day trading related. Lock in, watch the video. I'm gonna show you guys how we exactly analyze the market together in our lecture. You have a free sauce video.
Bet, bro. Today is Thursday, and it's a pretty good day. I think it was a good day because it's literally the same shit like yesterday. That happened. We started off with market open, displacing lower than we had. Like, we took the last. No, we had like 2 draws. Did we take the? We took the last significant draw, and we tapped into the perfect OT. Like, also, even like if you wanna force it, you can look at this perfect OTE. See it? OTE react at this area. I think if you drag it this way, it might even tick. Wait, not even to the wick. Like, from this low, we tick the OTE. React to it. Not only that, we could call a retracement or a reaction, but at the back of our mind, we just knew, shit, okay, we got our trace because we already dropped hella points. So you can see this as a retracement or even an OTE playing out. Whatever you think, it really doesn't matter. You just know, okay, we are now starting to go higher. Literally same shit. I showed it this, bro. I 2NQ'd this, made a band on this one. I exited. I think I have a screenshot of it. Do I have a screenshot? Yeah, I have a screenshot. I had a ban on this one. I closed it at at $900, bro. Because I screenshot it and then I was like, fuck, I gotta exit. That's it, bro. 2NQ'd this on TPT. This. But that's, bro, don't buy TPT, bro. It's fucked up. It's so much thoughts, bro. If you, yeah, but, yeah, it's, I still don't know how much I made now, cause, no, not 2K. Not yet. Like, what is it called? Cause now I was like 1.1, up. No, I didn't have an SL, nothing. You just need to exit. You cannot put it. Like, it's, like, you can put it, but it's so dumb. Like, last time you put like buy limit to sell limit, it entered another trade or stop limit. Okay, I don't know, bro. It's just unnecessary. I took this one. right here. I don't know, would have been here. That was my trade, but you guys were waiting for after the candle, bro. We immediately get a disrespect. So this was showing you, okay, that after we had an SMT right here. Let me see. We had an SMT with, I think we had with this high. We react to it. We didn't deliver. We just reacted to it. Like we moved a little bit. If we delivered, like we would have like went down and took the next draw, which would have been here, right? This displacement, these lows. If you would have delivered, so we didn't. We disrespect it. Seems like we want to retrace even higher, and you guys entered long. Like literally it. There's nothing. I don't know how much you targeted. Like people, I think I would have targeted this, because SMT is clearly failing. Me personally, I would have entered, not entered, because this is why I didn't enter here on another account, because I was scared of the resoup. Where is it? Let me backtest. Yeah, I would have, if I entered here like this, I would put stop loss above the TP above this max, like this, and enter earlier, like here. If I'm, because this kind of like opened lower, right? It seems like it wants to go lower and then just stopped here. I would have 100% entered here, but this was pretty quick, and then we just hit TP with the next candle instantly. Oh, we didn't even. Holy shit! Even if you put your stop loss up here, you would have not hit TP. Edge your TP, and then. Yeah, if I see, okay, we rebalance like this one, and we're about to go back higher, then I would 100% drag my TP to this high. It's so obvious. We're not gonna do all edge this high, rebalance just to take the high that we were like 1 point away. We're gonna do more, so we did more. With a good stop loss placement, it doesn't matter. Bro, like that's literally what people took today. It's not even complicated. I don't need to explain the narrative, bro. And the narrative is, wait. Is he muted? No. The narrative is literally like when I opened the chart, I started off being bearish like yesterday. Why? Because if you guys want to explain your opinions, you can do it. Because where is it? Like I remember yesterday when we talked about OTEs not getting disrespected. Like we had an beautiful OTE here, right? It doesn't, like that happened yesterday, it doesn't matter, but we had disrespect of disrespect, lows. This low we displaced through the low, and now I could see this as a retracement with an SMT, because we had an SMT up here, right? If we were bullish, I would have said we would disrespect the SMT, but no, the SMT did deliver with this high. So everything, like a disrespect of lows, displacement through lows, and we have reasons to go lower, like this one, or this one, or this one. Or if we zoom even more in, we had like here a low that is better seen on the 1 minute. Do you guys agree? Or were you guys different? Agree or no? Like yes, like we were playing around all-time highs, but we displaced straight like a bullet, 500 points. We were like London session, like late Asia session, 600 points away from it. So yeah, bro, I'm not gonna lie, like that's it. Like there's nothing special. Like this is how I started. Narrative is bearish. 1 minute. Displays lower. Wait, we manipulate higher. We do another SMT, by the way. This is where Elias would have shorted again yesterday. He would have like shorted somewhere here. Wait, not here. Osama took a short here too. Short here, kinda predicting it. It's fine, but I would recommend it because we could still manipulate once higher to the FEG and then continue lower. And TP, this is one trade that Osama took, W. Let me see. Yesterday, where did he post this trade, bro? Not here. Nice. You target more than 30 points though. How much did you enter? 5 MNQ, fine. But like get your 30 points still. How much was it? I think it was like, is it 30 points? No, I think it was 30 points. No, more than 30 points. If it was 30 points, it would have been 300. So he reached like 45 points. 40. Alright, but that's one trade. Fine, I would give it not A plus, but just because it happened yesterday, not B, it's a A. Just because it happened yesterday and it was so obvious. Like don't feel frustrated. Like this is not something you should focus on trading. I don't see this as professional yet. Now Osama, that's a little bit of. If you were aware of yesterday's lecture, you'd have not taken this. This is like literally we have an SMT or react to it, and after we react, you FOMO'd into thinking we're gonna take this draw. Like it's too late. You're playing only with an SMT. That's it, nothing else. Oh, SMT. Oh, we're gonna go lower because we dropped already 200 points. First bearish confluence you see, just take short. It's a little bit FOMO. And to your question, why do people long were you short? It's because they understood that within the bearish narrative, we could do what? We could pull back and then continue, pull back and then continue. Like you're not just gonna. We're not. Yes, the narrative might be bearish, and if I was you, starting off trading and when building up discretion, I would always stick with that bearish narrative and shorts. But if you're taking it easy and you're simple with it and you know what's happening on the market and you understand retracements, you can trade the retracement itself when it's obvious. Yeah. Then what happened else? What else happened? Can we move? Why wouldn't we short here anywhere? Because we're already overextended. Do we have reasons to go lower? Yes. Now we have this. Yesterday we had the same fucking rebalance. Same shit, bro. Same fucking rebalance. I wouldn't take it though, because it's not enough manipulation for me. Even though we filled a beautiful FEG, it's like I almost entered. Yeah, let me see. I saw another short here. I get it. Like I see when you read the candles, you can see like, okay, we once wick, it seemed like, okay, we want to manipulate lower, but no, we actually closed. Like we manipulate then high, we wick twice. Which one is gonna play out when we have two confluences? It's probably the one that's aligned with the narrative. So it plays out. Does it seem to you that we wanted to manipulate higher and close like higher? Not really. So I would be prepared, and we already invalidated this FUG. We don't care about it, and we have reasons to go lower. Aligned with the bearish narrative, we failed to close higher. This wick was 20 points. The only thing, the problem here is we have what is it called on ES? We have an SMT right here. See this? Like that. But when did we put in the SMT? Just now. So you wait. But does this seem to you like the SMT is getting respected? Not really. Aligned with a clear draw right there. A little bit of FOMO kind of. Target this, but it's tight, bro. I wouldn't do it. And yeah, would have hit TP. I saw someone take it. That's why I'm talking about it. It's not good at all. It's a little bit too FOMO. Where is it? Here. Yeah, you got lucky with this. I don't know, bro. Like this shit is easy. Like I don't know what to go through, bro. Like, do you guys have any questions on this shit, bro? Everybody took the same trade as yesterday. Everybody banked today. Like I did. And we see this, people with farm on two longs, right? Well, this shit was so quick, bro. This shit was very quick. Very, very quick. So here, what happens? Look how ES is extended. We're so extended that, what happened? Do we have an SMT yet? Almost. Did we have an SMT? Oh yeah, we did. Sorry, my bad. Here with this high. SMT. React to the SMT. Does SMT like okay? We rebalance. Now people would wait for a short, right? Because but instead of shorting, disrespecting rebalance, people would form onto this wick and target this low. That we had. No, we had another low like right there. This one. 2. Yeah, but then you would get stopped out. And while getting stopped out, people, I think, like you guys long tier, right? Yeah, long tier, targeted this, or maybe even this, like around 30 points, aligned to, like, with the target of this wick. It's a beautiful wick. Good stop loss placement. And then TP. That's it. No other trades. I wanna look at it. Any questions, bruv? Second trade is good because you see the failure. And you have a reason, you have this FUG you could tap into. Low-key, it's good. It's nice. You see, like I want, same shit, I almost took this on evals. Let me show you guys. Just loaded up new evals, like, where is it? No, it's right before. We need to look at ES. So ES looked like this, right? It seems like we want to displace lower, because we have a rebalance, right? You see this black rebalance, but we immediately disrespect it. People would short. But if you just look close, you breathe in and breathe out, it's just a little bit of a range, a little bit of chop. So you just thinking that way that this doesn't look beautiful saves you. Now does this seem to you we want to go lower? No. Do we have any confluences that would push this higher? Just an SMT. So is the SMT gonna work? Do we have any clear targets to go higher? We have this high. Now ES seems like we want to disrespect the rebalance. But if that fails, it doesn't look bearish to me at all. And I think I would have longed on Nasdaq already here, bro. Targeted this. But it's tight, bro. It's really tight. Note, if the target was like aligned with 30 points, it would have been A+. Something here. You know, if you enter early, then you're kind of aggressive, but also a little bit lucky if you entered earlier, predict the closure of this candle, plus you have a soup. Could have reacted to this soup before we get to this high. I would rank it A- with A+. No, it was not A+. Yeah, bro, that's it. Literally, like, I really don't know, like, that'll be a lecture, yeah, bro. Like a very short lecture. Like I don't even need to do like I'm not gonna force a topic again, bro. There are days where we had lectures for 2 hours trying to understand shit, but it's literally everyone took the same TP. Everyone had the same narrative. Yeah, maybe 1-2 people, but it's almost everybody. It's okay, bro. Like the 1-2 people I know, like the 1-2 people that wanted TP were like you guys. You guys were like once like solo. That's fine, bro. You're paper trading solo. Don't worry, bro. Like he just started, bro. You cannot include him. He just started, literally. And yeah, bro. That's it. That's the lecture. If you guys have questions, bro, DM me. Keep it simple. Do not feel happy. Go self-reflect. Look at your journal. Have fun in life, bro. Detach. Do not feel cocky tomorrow. If you guys had a good week this week, I would not recommend trading tomorrow. No news, and it could be weird. And now I just got the info. Some shit with Iran and Iran, USA, and some shit is happening, like news related, randomly. That I would be careful of. Yeah, bro. That's it. I just avoid tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, bro. That's simple. No questions. I'm gonna move on. Have a nice day, bro. See y'all.